Understanding the phrase, to vent. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving deep into a commonly used English phrase, to vent. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in everyday conversations. Let's get started. To vent is a verb that means to release strong emotions or feelings, especially by talking or writing about them. It's like letting out steam, much like how a kettle releases steam when it gets too hot. Imagine keeping all your emotions bottled up inside. Sooner or later, you'd want to let them out. That's what venting is all about. Example, I had such a stressful day at work. I just need to vent for a moment. The word vent originally referred to an opening that allows air, smoke, or liquid to pass out of a container. Think about the vents in cars or buildings. Over time, this term was metaphorically applied to emotions. When someone vents, they're letting out emotional steam to prevent those feelings from becoming overwhelming. Now, let's see some common ways to use this phrase. 1. She vented her frustrations about the project to her coworker. 2. Sometimes, it's important to vent to someone you trust. 3. I'm here for you if you need to vent. Notice that this phrase can be used in a variety of situations. It doesn't always mean someone is angry. It might just be that they're overwhelmed or stressed and need to express those feelings. When someone is venting, listen actively, show empathy and understanding. Give them space to express their feelings. Don't interrupt or offer solutions immediately. Sometimes, people just want to be heard. Judge or belittle their feelings. So, the next time someone says they need to vent, you'll know they're looking for a kind ear to listen to their feelings. It's a natural way for us humans to cope with intense emotions. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope this explanation helps you in your English language journey. Until next time, happy learning!